Hello, I'm an evil person. By the way, I'm Sarah. Okay, so I'm gonna destroy the evil minions of my twin sister. Yes, those are the evil minions of my twin sister. I shall destroy him, and maybe it will become a plaque. Or a plague, whatever. I shall destroy him with my minions. I shall be ready for attack. You're my baby. You shall attack first. Don't forget the mama loves you. I love you too. Practicing my throw. Evil, destroy him! Wah! I shall try again. My evil shall destroy with him. Click! I shall throw the thing with my evil boom. Boom shaka laka laka boom. I shall destroy him with him from the beak. Yeah. My babykin. Yeah! Aw. 2 more left. 2 more lives for 1 king. That shall be me! Yeah! My only one left baby is gone. Yeah! Oh my gosh! I'm losing! I'm the queen. And I shall remain like that.